Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I got my package in and I'm hoping it's my lighting. I ordered the Neewer ring light, 14-inch, and is it? It is. It's the ring light. It's the ring light. Let's see. This is how it comes. It comes in a cute little chic box. And then we gotta pull this. You gotta pull this. Oh, yeah. Uh-oh. I hope this came with a tripod because I swear it said on the thing it came. There's a tripod. I'm over here talking. I'm over here talking mess.
This.
There's a tripod. Got the tripod. I'm so excited. Oh, snap, Neewer. Oh, look, Neewer.
Hello?
So I'm showing y'all everything, and then I'll show what else comes in there. Is that the only part in there? Okay.
And then
Oh, and then we fancy.
Bluetooth
We got a
remote.
little Bluetooth remote.
What's up?
Okay.
And,
Oh, and then the little
Gripper.
phone adapter thing, yeah. And then this. And then a cord, a plug-in cord. That's it for now, y'all. So we got the tripod, we got the cord and everything, we got the little phone holder, the remote, and the ring light itself. So I'll set it up and I'll show you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, I finally got it set up. At first, this part at the bottom was like flipped up, so I was like, what is that? But then I realized I had to like unscrew. It was like I had to like unloosen a knob right here. Sorry, excuse my nails. Yes, I need a refill, and yes, I need something done to my nails, so ignore my nails. I had to unscrew this in order to, like, you know, get it to face down so it's actually standing up versus being flipped up. And so they had all these different knobs that I had to do to adjust the height of it. And then this piece also confused me at first because I didn't realize that I had to like slide the little square thing in so that it goes in between here. But yep, there it goes. And then I have it plugged in the wall. And then you have Mason over here messing with stuff. Come here, little boy. Say hi.
Hi.
Wave. Can you wave?
Hi.
Can you wave? Yeah. So now for the final test, we're gonna see how bright this thing actually is after it's set up. Sorry y'all, I cannot get this thing in the whole entire frame, but this is the main point right here, main thing. So let's go ahead and turn this baby on. And then we're gonna turn it up so that the light actually shows. So let me see if I'm doing this right. No, I'm not doing this right. Oops, hold on. What the? Y'all, this thing is not acting right. Let's see why. Amazon. Y'all gave me a faulty one, looks like. It does not look like it's wanting to act right at all. So, we're gonna try this one more time. Turn this off. And turn it up. Something's not right here. Y'all, this is gonna make me so mad. Because the plug is in there correctly. turn it all the way up. It's just blinking, literally just blinking. So I'm trying to see if there's like a shortage in the cord or something, because this is no bueno. And I'm not gonna keep this if it's gonna do this. I'll be back to show you guys if it works or not completely. Let me see if I need to unplug this or not and see what's going on, because this is not okay. Okay guys, I am back to try this one more time. When I turn off the camera and stuff, I unplugged it and I put it back in, and I kind of like tried to shake it a little bit, see if it'll like work or not, and it turned on the couple of times that I tried it. I tried it like 3 times to see if, like, when I turned it off and on, if it would cooperate. So we're gonna try this one more time. So I am turning it on. There it goes. There it goes. Y'all, that's how bright the light is. And sorry if y'all can't really tell how bright it is, because the window's right here too. So I don't know if the window light is messing with it as well, but this is it, like at a dim stage, and then it just goes brighter like that. That's how bright it goes. All right, then I'm gonna show you the temperature. So it's on the whitest right now, and then it turns yellow, and that's the yellowest. This one's really cool. Like, I like this one a lot because it comes with the knobs. The other ones that I saw like reviews on and stuff, and there it is, white again. The other reviews that I saw had like little like, it was like a half, and it came with like films that go around it or whatever, and those changed the temperature of it. But I'm so glad this came with okay guys, we are back. This is Mason in front of the light. You like it? Do you like it? What are you talking about? Okay, so I'm gonna test it on him. Y'all, I'm not in the camera today because I'm looking extra rough right now. I just got off work not too long ago. So yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna use him as a model and show you guys. This is me dimming it down. So that's without the light, and this is with the light. Yeah, you like it. Oh, stop. Okay, so this is with the white light, and this is the yellow light. Looks good, huh? Stop it. Don't touch it. Say hi. Hi. Can you say hi again? Hi. Can you say hi again? Hi. And this is with the white light. So this is dim. Ouch. And yellow. So dim and yellow looks like that. There's all kinds of different combos that you can do. You like it, Poo Poo? You don't like it? Alright, I'm gonna turn it back to light. Alright, so that's pretty much all this really does, and I love it, y'all. And if I have any issues besides the one I started off with, out of this, I will definitely, really, you silly boy, silly boy, I will definitely update my video on this if I have any problems out of it. But this is day 1. I just got it literally today. I just unboxed it and everything, and y'all, I am in love with the results. So until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Can you say bye? Bye. Bye.